It's really overwhelming when I receive comments and messages over WhatsApp that you are making good money, good profit from my analysis. Because for the last 1 week, I have been shouting that you should buy GBP USD at this level, and many of you have made good profit. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good money because I told you to grab GBP USD in each and every of my videos at this particular level. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. So this is the overall chart of GBP USD, and as we can see, market is still in uptrend. Okay, and if we just look at this particular portion, okay, between these two lines, then we can easily see that market is still in uptrend. Yes, market was very volatile yesterday, but still market could not break the range, and still market is trading in between this range only. So we are in a tight range right now, tight range where this is the resistance 1.4245 on the upside. This is the resistance and this is the support 1.4100. This is the support for us right now. Let me take you to the weekly chart. If you have been watching my previous videos, then you know pretty well that I'm a fan of weekly time frame. See, this is the weekly, this is the weekly chart, and as you can see here, in the weekly chart also market is very much bullish. But just like Euro USD, this currency pair is also facing resistance from the price level from the third week of Feb. See, market was very much bullish. Market tried to go up, but in the third week of Feb, market made this candle, which means that price tried to go up, price could not sustain, and price came down, and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, whatever. Okay, this is the resistance. We have the resistance right now, and we are trying to cross the level for the past 1 month, but still we are unable to do so. Okay, and as a result, we are in a range right now, and you can see this is the range I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the range we are caught right now. Generally market stays in a range, or market is unable to break a range. Okay, whenever currency pairs act like this is the currency strength meter. Okay, and instead of daily, okay, right now I'm in a weekly because I want to show you the bigger picture. This is the weekly currency strength meter. You can see here GBP is very much bullish and very much positive, and USD is also positive. Whenever two currencies are positive and are of the equal strength almost, then we get a sideways market. Okay. Whenever a currency is very much, one currency is positive, let's say GBP USD is very much bullish. Okay, on the other hand USD is very weak, or USD is negative. Okay, then we will get a up move like this, strong bullish move. But whenever both the currency pairs are positive, then we get a sideways market. And yesterday when market bounced from this particular point, and when me and my subscribers made money from at this particular price level, okay, at that particular point of time, I just checked this chart, and I saw that GBP was trading at around 6, and USD was almost trading at this particular price level. Okay, so at that point of time, one thing was very clear. One thing was very clear to me, that yes, though we are seeing some good up moves, though market has formed big fat green candles, but one thing I was sure, that market is not going to cross this range. Okay. Anyways, okay, this is the reason. Okay, both the currency pairs were very strong. As a result, market is still in a range right now. So what should be our strategy? Our strategy is same just as the previous week or this week. Okay, right now market is in a range, therefore we will be getting opportunities on the upside as well, on the downside as well. Okay, and I have already mentioned This is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so we do not need to trade on the middles, because see, if you go ahead and buy here, then see, your stop loss will be here and your target is this. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. Never ever compromise with the trading discipline. Never trade in the middle. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Okay, and you cannot short the market also, because again your risk to reward ratio does not match. So this is our no trading zone. We will not trade on GBP USD as long as it is trading in the middle. Okay, clear? So we will wait for the market to come down to the support level just like yesterday, or if it goes up, we will short the market at the resistance. Okay, if it goes up, okay, if it goes up from here, and when it will hit this particular price level, just observe the price and just see how the price is doing. If you see that, okay, price is struggling again, price is suffocating, it is unable to cross, okay, you'll easily understand just by looking at the chart. Try to read the market emotion, try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see the price is struggling again, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market cannot break the level and market is about to reverse. Okay, then you can short the market. You can short the market at this price level. But remember one thing, confirmation is always important, and you'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star pattern, price rejection from above, or a red candle like this. Then only you should short the market. Okay. In case market crosses this level, okay, then do not buy right away. Wait for at least 4 to 6 hours, 8 hours, and just observe the price if market crosses this level. If you see the market has crossed this level, okay, then just try to study the price. If you see that price is trading comfortably above the resistance, price is not struggling, then you can go for a buy order at above this level. Okay, I'll be discussing that part on Monday as well if it crosses. On the other hand, if market comes down to this particular price level just like yesterday, okay, then this is a very sweet spot to buy, because see, this is the best position to buy, and this is the best trading position on this particular chart, because overall the market is in uptrend. Overall the market is in uptrend, and as I always say, in an uptrend market we should always look for buying position so that we can stay along with the trend. So in this chart, if you get this currency pair in this price level at this support, then this is the best trading price. So in case it comes down to the support level, okay, just observe the price. If you see that price is reversing again, it is bouncing back again, you can go for a buy order. Confirmation will be in the form of a hammer or a price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you see that market is respecting the support level, this level, then you can go for a buy order at this level. Okay, and if you want, then you can also consult this currency strength meter. Okay, this is a currencyquack.com. You can go to the daily chart. Okay, there are multiple currency pairs available. You can go to any chart. These are available for free on the website or on the internet. Okay, just see how the currency pair is doing. Okay, that's it. If you want, just remember one thing. Okay, if both the currency pairs are very much strong and positive, then you'll get a sideways market. If one currency is positive and one is down, then there will be a trending market. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.